So every winter, Jamie Dull from the Outer Rim organizes a holiday gift Greeble exchange. And this year, I got all my Greebles from Morgan Gauss. And boy did she send me a lot of really cool stuff. So I'm gonna try and make a prop with as many of the pieces that she sent me, all in the same build. So Morgan, thank you for all the great Greebles. And Jamie, thank you for bringing our community together each and every year with this cool event.
Swaraj Nagrom wasn't unfamiliar with unusual customer orders. His expertise as a master tailor were known throughout the western sphere of Corinne. Some say his wares were known to be requested by off-worlders. But such fame has a cost, even if unseen. His fortune and business expansions had elevated him to the prime shop location in the center plaza. Rent he could not have hoped to pay for when he started out all those years ago. But this prime real estate attracted the resistance. At first it was just uniforms and banners, propaganda, anything that rallied the troops to fight the brewing empire. But then came the big ask, if asking is what you could call it. Swaraj knew the work was important, but missed his past quieter life. He had mastered his trade of tapestries and banners. Business bolstered when cruisers needed travel posters to help expand their recruitment of personnel for their own businesses. Little did he know the cruise lines were a front for a smuggler's operation and would ultimately be his journey towards the underground and resistance troops. Embracing this new life wasn't easy, but with the Empire clamping down on locals, making it easier to find reasons to resist their encroachment. The job seemed easy, listening to customers chatter as they left the cantina across the way, observing the loitering of non-locals. Something huge must be coming to pass, because his resistance handler, Voger, kept adding more and more to his workload. Now, he was commissioning a wall power panel. It was intended to have a patina that matched the building's exterior so that it would be unnoticed as it hung outside in the alley. It would be geared up with hidden cameras and uplinks so the rebels could track not only who everyone was, but who they met with. The parts were on hand, and Suwarg knew a few rebels who had the skills to put this panel together. In fact, the assembly was quick. Even mounting it to the wall outside, under the noses of the Empire, was relatively easy. But no one ever talks about the fear of detection. This proof of his resistance, hanging outside the shop every moment of the day, wondering if a bored stormtrooper will be bored enough to pick at it, snoop, or some Empire officer keen to attention to detail noticing its sudden appearance this week. The scary moments are not in the action. It is in the calm, quiet moments, where you can hear nothing but the pounding of the beats of your heart, beating faster and harder as time ticks by. But we will endure, and we will fight.